Hello everyone, welcome back to another math class. This is Nafasi speaking. Here is another math problem. The graph, there is a two graph here to curve, and the graph shows it is they intersect each other in twice, and our question is show that the graph meet where x equals to 0 and x equals to 2.5. So graph shown it intersect twice, but mathematically we have to prove it, right? Okay, if they intersect each other, so you can write equation equals to equation. So x square minus 3x equals to 2x minus x square, right? Move the right side values to the left side. Two x square minus 5x, it is a quadratic equation. Let common x, so 2x minus 5. So what is the value of x for x equals to 0, and another 2x minus 5 equals to 0, x equals to 5, and 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. Yes, 2.5. So x equals to 0 and x equals to 2.5 shown. For a better understanding, you need to watch all of my previous videos in this chapter in order. Go to playlist and select this specific topic. Anyway, the question number B, find the maximum vertical separation between the curve from 0 to 2.5. From 0 to 2.5, maximum vertical separation. So maximum vertical separation, we need to subtract from the above equation to the below equation. Which one is above equation? The pink one, right? Here is a pink one, it is above equation, and the green one, so above equation is what? X is 2x minus x square, right? And the below equation is green on, it is x square minus 3x. Okay, 2x minus x square plus 3x. So 2x, it is minus 2x square plus 5x. It is the answer, but we have to find out the value of x, right? We need the numerical value. So here is a quadratic format, y equals to x square plus bx plus c. A value is minus 2, which is less than 0, then the curve must be concave down. The curve concave down. Concave up, concave down means concave up means smile face, minimum point. Concave down means sad face, maximum point. Remember it like that. Concave up, smile face, minimum point. Concave down, sad face, maximum point. Remember that. Anyway, so to find the x value, the axis of symmetry rules, x equals to minus b over 2a. Put the value of minus b is 2, and minus b is 5, b value is 5, and a value is -2. So what is the value? X equals to 5/4. Put this in the equation and calculating it by my calculator. It is 25/8. Yes, 25/8.